At StudyMind, we believe that high-quality work experience is an important stepping stone to studying engineering. When applying to university, it shows admissions tutors that you're committed to the subject and is a chance for you to showcase your skills. In short, it sets you apart from the competition. StudyMind's Engineering Work Experience programme is aimed at 15 to 24-year-olds and takes place in the vibrant City of London. It is run by engineering professionals and provides hands-on interactive sessions. Throughout the programme, you will learn about different engineering fields, such as electrical engineering, robotics and 21st century technology, and urban and structural engineering. You'll gain hands-on experience, including applying principles to real-world simulations. And you'll explore how engineering can be used to solve global problems now and in the future. Our engineering work experience is designed to make you stand out from the competition. That's why we also provide support with university applications and interview techniques. At the end of the programme, you'll also receive a certificate of completion to use in your UCAS application. Travelling from afar, 40% of our students travel from all over the world, including China, Hong Kong, UAE and India. That's why we also offer accommodation and food. You will stay in a central London location with round-the-clock security, and our team of DBS checked leaders will be on hand to support you 24/7. So why not kickstart your journey to your dream job and visit us today to see how we can help.